If you want a simple and affordable way to add some stylish detailing into your build to make it your own, these mirror covers with the turn signal openings in gloss black will be a great addition to your 2016 through 2023 Toyota Tacoma. Now these are also great if you want to protect the back of your mirrors or want to cover up any existing scratching or nicks from typical road debris, flying up, or branches if you're taking your truck off-road. This kit also makes that possible for you if you're not looking to replace your entire mirror, especially if it's still functioning well, considering that it can be more expensive and time-consuming than this solution. Because the mirrors on your truck stick out from the body, they're subject to the same hazards that the front is, like rocks or any debris that's flinging up on road. And if you're taking your truck off-road, brush, branches, and unwanted things can slam into them and cause damage, whether it's cracking the mirror cover or simply just scratching it up. Regardless of what your current set looks like, these will completely replace that current mirror cap, getting rid of the stock and potentially damaged look with a sleek and glossy cap that will refresh your mirrors even with being such a small part. It will also match very well with other glossy black accents, especially that Toyota black that you see on the Pro models, and will have a sharp body line right through the mirror cap to add some dimension, which will elevate the appearance. These are made of a tough ABS plastic material that is impact, chemical, oil, and UV resistant, so you can trust that these are going to hold up when they're installed and keep this appearance, resisting any fading from the sun or damage from those lighter impacts on or off-road. The plastic is also specifically molded to this application with clips on the back that will pop into place for a snug fit, and will have a cutout at the bottom that will contour to your turn signal. Now on top, the gloss black will really be the star of the show, creating a sleek effect to the mirror rather than a factory style replacement. These are about $110 and pretty affordable as far as mods go, especially compared to other more in-depth solutions if you're looking for an updated appearance. Now full mirrors can be upwards of $200, and if your current mirror is in good condition functionally, a cover may just be right up your alley, and this one's going to be a great solution. This also comes in that gloss black for the truck owners who are looking to keep it darker on the appearance side with a finished look and don't want to go through the hassle of painting an unfinished set. Install will be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and take you only 15 minutes to get the job done. Now speaking of the install, one of our customers here has put these on their Tacoma and is going to walk you through what the process looks like step by step. So that's going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
Okay, today we're installing black side mirror covers to replace the factory white. So they come packaged, driver's side marked, passenger side marked. So we're going to start here on the driver's side. First thing I'm going to do is lock my mirror back just to have some support. The only tool you need for this installation is a small flathead screwdriver. I'm going to start by just gently prying up underneath the edge, and you can see it'll start to pop out. I'm just going to work my way around. You need to be careful to not break the brackets holding it in, but you also need to not be afraid to just pop it off there. So that was it, simple removal of the old one. The new one is just going to go right back in place. And simple as that, it is installed. I'm gonna move over to the other side. I had already used my screwdriver to pre-pry this and loosen it, so it's loose, so I'm just gonna pop it off. And again, line the other one up. This one's a little trickier than the other side. Side popped right in. This one not so smooth. And there it is. Just take some time to wiggle a little bit and adjust. And there it is, installation complete.
So that is going to wrap it up for my review and the install of these mirror covers with the turn signal openings in gloss black, fitting all 2016 through 2023 Toyota Tacomas. And you can find these right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.